me start saying that everything here is from Essence, okay? Essence, I'm here if you want to send me stuff. Okay. And yeah, I see a lot of videos in my For You page on my TikTok from kids, from kids that have 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 18, 16 doing their own lashes. And I said, what? So you want me, Divany, to go and pay somebody 30 and 60 € for individual lashes, and then I have to pay Uber or taxi? No, no way, no way, no way. I have to try to do it. This is my first time doing the individual lashes. I picked this one because I think they are more easy for the first time. And then, I ordered them more longer because these ones are short. I was thinking that they are longer, but no, they are short. They are normal lashes, and they look very, very natural when you're gonna see the end. So I order more longer, so you can see in my next video because I'm gonna put them. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok because you're gonna have up-to-date. Follow me on my Instagram and TikToks, and comment everything, and share with your family, hater, whatever, everybody you want them to see these lashes on me. So this is how I do my lashes. How to, yeah. And yeah, what I'm gonna say, I ended up using the last glue that come with the lashes because the one I bought, it was drying but very slowly, and this one would dry very quickly, and they are good. Okay, so right now talking, I have 5 days or 6 days. I'm going to 6 days. Yes, 6 days of wearing these lashes. Yeah, and I love them. I was thinking that they're gonna have some problem because I'm blind, but no, I have no problem sleeping with them. The only problem is when I wash my face. I want to wash my eyes very good, but no, you can use you can use like a spoolie. I don't know how they call it. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share with friends, haters. I know haters are here. Hello, hater. I know you're here watching me. We are here in 223, and you are not move on, move out. You still with me? Hey, bitch. Okay, bye. I see my next video, and I hope it's soon, very soon, very, very soon. And don't mind my eyebrows, okay? You're gonna fix them. Don't mind me. Bye.